Christian! Girly!
I'm not going to let him go right here.
Tickles! Where are you going to let him go? Wait a minute, don't leave me. What's his name?
Midnight.
You going to tell him bye?
Bye, Midnight.
Okay. Oh, he doesn't want to leave. Oh, there he goes. There he is right there, Girly.
Midnight.
Is he all right?
He's up there. Hey, she's drinking from the flowers.
Maybe he's just trying to get...
Used to the surroundings. Come on, Midnight. How's that going? Can I take a picture? Oh, here's a great photo shot.